It's your boy Squeak Boy. A lot of you guys have been asking me, what do I use my computer? Well, I have it open today since I got that new SSD card, the 120 gigabyte for my Microsoft program that I'm using that I got today. I just installed it so I can show you the inside of my computer now. So here it is, you guys. I have an MSI graphics card. I have a Crosshair CX600M. I have a Gigabyte motherboard. I have a Cooling Masters. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. There's a big old fan up there. I have two, I can't remember what type of those are. You can probably see the logo right there. I have two memory sticks. There's 8 gig right there. I have room. I have room for one more, I believe. So I plan on getting another one. Maybe. I don't know if I need that much. I have room for another graphics card. I'm gonna get me another MSI. This is a 4 gig. And that way I have 8 gigs. I can put another one down here. And yeah, it's kind of messy, but it's pretty tight for that small compact. I got a 250 gigabyte hard drive. I got a 1 terabyte, and now I got my 250 SSD. And then up here, I got my Asus CD drive. You open it up. Hopefully you can see it. Oop. There we go. That's how it opens. That's what it looks like. That's the front. This is the black edition. If anybody knows what this is, that's what it is. It's called the black edition. It lights up blue right there. But yeah, I got 1, 2, 3. There's a fan in here in your power supply. And then I got 2 fans under there on the graphics card. It's pretty cool. It runs cold. This light lights up blue when it's on too. But yeah, I just installed my SSD today. This is what the back looks like. But yeah, it's all really nice and everything. I try to keep it clean. There's no dust in here. I haven't had it that long. But I try to keep my stuff nice and tidy. I clean it once a month probably. Should clean it probably 2 times a month maybe. Get a can of air or something from Walmart. They're like $5. This is what it looks like. I could do more management. I did get me, for that, I did get 100 bags, or 100 PC8 black cable ties, because, you know, it matches my computer. It's black, see? So it's black and red, basically, or blue, when it turns on and lights up. So the inside's black and red. See, red, red. Then my graphics card is red, black and red under there. I don't know if you can see very well. Hopefully the flashlight is helping you guys. But yeah, I got a Gigabyte motherboard, HT30DOR3. Yeah. And I'm gonna upgrade my fan probably to 1000 when I upgrade my graphics card. Cause it's 150 watts to power one of these, I believe. And at least 150 that's gone for that, and the rest, so 600 take on 150, that's 450 power you got to power this up, their CD drive, your fans and everything. But if you're gonna upgrade to 2 or 4, you might want to upgrade to 1000 power supply. But yeah, my theme is black and red, and then, like I said, in the front here, as you can tell, see the blue, it lights up blue right there in the corners. And then this fan here turns blue. And this is what the inside looks like of that. I don't know if you can really see it. But yep, this is what it looks like. SSD is all hooked up. I got a 1 terabyte and a 250 gigabyte. And then I got room to put something else down here if I wanted to. And down here. I can put 2 more SSD cards in here. I didn't put it in there for right now. It's much easier to put it up here. That's why I put that there instead of down there. because I gotta go through all those cords right there, and it was just easier putting my cord right there. See, right there, that red one right there, this red one that goes out there, that hooks up into the back. I'll show you. Here's my front again, and this is the back side. See, the cord is much easier to go down into my thing. There's what it looks like hooked up. My hard drive hooked up, that bottom one hooked up like that. This is what it looks like. See, I try to make it simple, and I try to keep it clean. I'm a very neat person, except for right now on my table's a mess. Ugh. But alright guys, if you liked my computer build thing here on what I did, give it a likes up and give it a thumbs down if you didn't like it, and smash that subscribe button if you liked it. Thank you very much. This is William Hutchcraft signing off, man. Thank you guys. I appreciate you guys. And more to come. Okay? Sub me. You'll like me. I do this every day. I have nothing else to do. So like my videos. I'll give you more games soon. I promise. So yeah. Thank you. I love you guys. You're my fans, man. Pretty soon I'll set up a mailbox. Me and my friend will. And you guys can send us mail. And we'll, you know, hey, we'll advertise your name on YouTube, you know. We would like you to advertise us too, maybe, you know. Say our names. Give us a shout out. Thank you. It helps our channel grow, and we'll help your channel grow. Alright guys and girls, thank you very much. We appreciate it.